Hello, it's Kateri. Hey, I thought I would show you. I happened to I had to run into Hobby Lobby, and I haven't been in there forever. And I went in there for something, and then when I got in there, I forgot what I was supposed to be looking for. Go figure. But anyway, I happened to go down the aisles hoping it would trigger what I was supposed to be doing or getting. And I eventually found one thing that I needed, but I don't recall what else I was supposed to be looking for. I suppose it'll come to me when I'm not going to go out. But anyway, so I happened to walk down the aisle, and all of the Tim Holtz stuff was on, well, not all of it, but a lot of it. But I did pick up these because they've got all the flowers in it that I like to use on things. So I just picked up a pack of that. And they had these thimbles on sale. So, I mean, they're not the nicest. I suppose they probably could break in half, but they will be fine. I can drill a hole in the top of them and use them for like little tassels and stick the tassel up in there. So from $8 to $1.99, I'm all over that. And they had their little tiny safety pins for 99 cents from $4. Pretty cool. I didn't go in there looking for this stuff. It just happened to say, hey, look at me. And I have a pack of these, but I've been trying to use these on like little tassels and things like that to hang off the side of the journals. And so that was $9 down to $2.24. They had a lot of stuff sitting there that I did not get, and they had a lot of dyes on sale. So they had some distressed oxides, which I didn't have this color, which is aged mahogany, $1.49. And then there's this evergreen burrow. So I don't think I have this one. If I do, I'll give it away. And then they have the Distress Resist spray for $1.99 from $8. That's like cool. So I'll put that over here on my turntable. And then they had this Tim Holtz edge dye here, and so it was $2.99, marked down from $12. Yeah, so they had several others, but I didn't get them. So wow. Oh, this isn't a dye. Oh yeah, it is. The dye is right here. So it's an embossing folder and a dye. Woohoo! 2-in-1. Pretty cool. And they had several of the, they had flowers and a couple of other things. They had some Christmas stuff. They had lots of, were they embossing? I think there were some embossing folders, and yeah. So there's that. And then I got 3 of these, and these are just papers that I can use in my journaling. Guess I have to pull both ends out. I thought it was washi tape at first, but it's just a paper. Look at that. It's really super thin. Look at that. Talk about a collage. Woo! Tear that up and use that collage. That's awesome. I like that. And that would just be neat. Neat in the journal. So I got this one. Oh, wait till you see these other ones I got. I'm gonna roll this up. Stick this back in here real quick. Okay, there's that one. And then look at that one. I bet this is really cool. Yeah. So, yeah. I had to read that twice. I thought it said something not good, but it wasn't. So I'll go ahead and show this to you. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Wow, that's just so cool. Love these. And then there's one, they had one with maps on it, but I didn't get it. I probably should have for no more than it was. I guess I could kick myself because I'm sure that it won't be there when I get back. Because I may not go back. And this one is really cool too. Look at that. It's got the birdies. Look at the birdies. Well, that's a long. That's got to be an 18-inch repeat on that. That is so cool. So I just wanted to share this little haul that I got today. And I guess I've never have been a lucky one to ever find the stuff that people actually show. But I thought, you know what, if all the others are doing it, you know, I don't know if your store is doing it yet or not, but keep your eyes open. Ask somebody when they're putting it up for sale, so you have an idea. And yeah, these things are no more than they are. And $6.49, I got them for 40% off. So all of his stuff was 40% off, I think, too, regular stuff. So anyway, but I like all of these flowers, and mine are almost gone. And yes, I know I can probably make my own, but it's just easier to buy these. They're already done and cut up. Anyway, and the butterflies. So anyway, I just wanted to share all the goodies with you. And I hope if you happen to go to your Hobby Lobby, you can find the stuff on sale too, because I know they don't all put everything on sale at the same time, but you know, they could. And I'm just sure with everything that was up there, it probably went up for sale today. But anyway, everybody have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll see you all on Friday.